exposing the secret weapon in memory retention. Say hello to mnemonics. Mnemonics are like magic tricks for your brain. Let's dive into 3 awesome techniques. First up, acronyms and acrostics. Ever heard of HOMES to remember the Great Lakes? Huron, Ontario, Michigan, Erie Superior. Next, chunking. Break down big info into smaller bits, like turning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Lastly, visual imagery. Picture a crazy scene to remember your grocery list. Practical examples? Sure. PEMDAS for math order of operations. And chunking phone numbers? Easy peasy. Combine these with vivid imagery for the ultimate memory boost. Students using these hacks get better grades. Professionals, they crush presentations with confidence. So, practice regularly. Use creative images and mix techniques for maximum impact. Even manage stress by visualizing calm scenes. Mnemonics are your new best friend. Try them out and watch your memories soar.